Hello all, my name is Ibtisam Ilahi and today my topic is Alpha Fit 2 test, and I will describe about the following things which are useful in Alpha Fit 2 test and what are the purpose and which equipments are required in this test. First of all, I will start from the waist circumference. The main purpose of the waist circumference is to estimate the adipose tissues situated in the middle of trunk, and for this purpose the equipments required is tape measure and drawing pen. And in the men, less than 90 points are the no risk, and it means if the person's circumference is less than 90 centimeter, then his health is good and there is no risk in his life. And in the woman, less than 80 centimeter is no risk, and more than 80 to 88 in women, that is moderate risk, and in the men 90 to 102 is moderate risk, and above these figures, that is called highly risk in their lives. And the second thing is body mass index. Body mass index, the main objective of the body mass index is to estimate relative body fat with the tape measure and a scale. BMI is calculated by weight in kilogram divided by height into meter square. And the equipment that is used in body mass index, tape measure and scale. And if a person body mass index is less than 18.5, then that is called underweight, and if a person a BMI is 18.5 to 24.9, that is in proper weight, and if a person more than 25, then that will be overweight, and if a person body mass index is more than 40, that is severe obesity. And the third thing is in Alpha Fit 2 test is one leg stand. One leg stand, the main purpose of the one leg stand is to measure postural control while the area of supported is reduced, and the equipment is used in one leg stand is stopwatch. And if a person can stand less than 29 seconds, then that is poor quality, and if a person stands between 30 to 59 seconds, that is mid fit, and if a person can stand more than 60 seconds, then that is called high. And the other thing is hand grip, and to measure static grip strength is the main objective of this handstand grip, and the equipment is used in this a calibrated hand dynamometer with adjust grip. And the fifth thing, which is modified push-ups. The objective of the modified push-ups to measure short-term endurance capacity of the upper extremity extensor muscles and the ability to stabilize the trunk. And the equipment that is used in modified push-up, that is a gym mat and a stopwatch, and the calculation of the push-ups will be calculated between the 40 seconds, what a person can perform within 40 seconds, that will be calculated in modified push-ups. And if a person can do less than 12 push-ups in the category of male, then it will be poorest quartile, and if a person if female can do less than 8, that will be poorest, and if a male can do more than 17 and in female more than 14, that will be best quartile. And the last thing, which is 2-kilometer walk test. The main objective of the walk test is to measure maximal oxygen uptake, and to measure the ability and the measure of ability is brisk walking. And the equipment which will require into kilometer test, that will be stopwatch, heart rate monitor, and cones if the required. And if a person in male category can perform more than 16 minutes and 8 seconds, that will be poorest category. And in female, if they consume 17.43 seconds, that will be poorest. And if a male can perform this his task with 14.29 second, that will be best quartile. And in female, 15.5 second 15.57 seconds will be the good quartile in women. And this is all the test which is performed in above 22 European